Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma handed over a cheque of Rs 1 crore to Nazareth Hospital, Shillong, reaffirming the government's commitment to support non-profit hospitals in improving healthcare for the underprivileged. He stated that Meghalaya allocates the highest budget to the health sector among Indian states, with a focus on infrastructure. He also emphasized the importance of collaboration between hospitals for better patient care. Hospital Administrator Sister Noreen expressed gratitude, stating the grant would be used for critical equipment in the emergency, maternity and neonatal care units, as well as for a new nursing college with a 100-student capacity. Church leaders present at the event included Auxiliary Bishop of Shillong, Father Bernard Lalu, and Vicar General Father Richard M. Majau, along with officials Dr. Joram Beda and Ram Krishna Chituri from the state government.
I just want to share with you that we have been very committed in spite of the fact that we have huge challenges. Today, Meghalaya spends, in terms of percentage, Meghalaya spends the highest amount of its budget on the health sector compared to any other state in the country. We spend approximately 8% plus, and a large amount of it is going to overall improving the infrastructure and overall, the equipments, the different centers, upgrading them, providing them different support. And therefore, a lot of effort has gone in from the government side to improve the overall health sector and the infrastructure from the government's point of view. But we realize that apart from the government institutions, there are many other players in the health sector who are contributing, as mentioned by Sister, are contributing silently to the overall healthcare sector, and especially the citizens from very, very economically poor and weak backgrounds. So like that, similarly, the Holy Cross Hospital in Tura is going to put up state-of-the-art 280 kilowatt solar power unit out there, which means that they will no longer be on the grid, and their entire system will be 24/7 on this power system that is almost close to 300 kilowatt, the largest maybe any institute will have. So very interesting work is coming out. Here also I think Sister has already explained what they plan to do, but let me just put it on record, Sister, that you are free to use these funds as you wish. Let me put it very, very clear.